Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you for supporting me this long. So today I have a new video for you, and that will be about DIY repair of the power tools. With I think we should cut out the more of the talking part, and we should focus more on the working part. So welcome to my workbench so that we can see uh, what we are going to work with today, and let's see what the problems are. So by coincidentally I got again two of the same power tools, which we are going to look inside because they are not working, and find out the problems, so that we can rectify it and have perfectly working power tools from it. So today we are working with these these ones. This is a D-volt angle grinder, and I have two of them again. I think it will be fine because this one actually rotates the shaft. I think it will be fine. Some minor problems will be in there, but in case of this, the shaft is not moving. So I think that more than there will be some replacements needed to make it work. So let's just rip open these power tools and attempt to repair it. So I'm just keeping aside this one for today, because it needs a more of a detailed inspection to find out what the problem is. So I'm gonna work with this one. I probably suspect the carbon brushes are worn out, and so I have bought actually two of the carbon brushes needed, and so let's attempt to fix it. Come on, guys, come on, welcome into my team. Okay, guys, let me put on these gloves so that these, you can see these are ugly, filthy, so I don't want my hands to be that dirty, so I'm using uh, gloves. I'm putting aside the carbon brushes, and let's open this. For opening this tool, we need to remove these two screws and also remove this cover. So I'm gonna use a Phillips head to remove this. Okay, it slides just right out. I just want to move this part so that I can inspect further. Yes, as expected, the carbon brushes from here are missing. That might be possibly the problem why it's not working. So let's replace it. Unlike the other drill one, this is having a spring mechanism which is holding down the carbon brushes, so we don't have any casing to remove. You just have to push up the spring and push in the carbon brush. So I'll need a pointed thing like this. Okay, let's remove these covers and replace it, so that we can test if it will work or was it the problem really. Okay, time to test it out if it is working or not. So let me give it power and we will see. Let's give it power. I have just plugged it in. Now let's see. it isn't perfectly working condition, so I have rescued one of these angle grinders which you can use for further use.